Maybe next time you're asleep.
When Jason's getting ready to catch a shrimp. I was just telling everybody that you're getting ready to catch shrimp in your mouth.
Maybe. Theoretically.
It's gonna
Theoretically, he's supposed to catch
It's
it.
gonna go everywhere but.
Not with the hands, not with the chopsticks, not with
$5 it goes in the cheek.
Are you ready? Yeah, I'm ready. Now Jamaica, we say ready like Freddy. Here we go. Remember, when I say 3, you all say 2. When I say 1, you scream.
Catch the
shrimp. Are you ready, sir? 3,
2,
1.
catch the flying shrimp. Oh!
It's a good try.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Catch the flying shrimp.
Yeah!
Close. That's alright. Good try.
Lean back in your chair. Take your time. Relax. Enjoy. 3, 2, 1.
Catch the flying shrimp.
Close.
It's coming.
That was close.
3,
2,
1.
catch the flying shrimp.
Good job.
You got it, Jay.
3, 2, 1.
Catch the flying shrimp.
Alright, little people, those who are having fish, plates on top, please.
You almost have it.